Hey guys, so I started a new project on my 2011 F-150. I'm sound deadening all the doors. I went with the Killmat sound deadening. I bought on Amazon for 78 bucks, which came with 36 square feet. It had plenty of sheets, 34 sheets. Each sheet's about 10 by 16. So I did have to cut a few to get inside that outer door shell, which I covered a great portion of that, which will hopefully eliminate all the road noise. I just finished today with all 4 doors done, and I gotta say, it does make a great difference. I mean, it's a pretty good product. I mean, the door panels, I was surprised. They don't have a bunch of clips in them, which I figured they did, like the older models. There was, I don't know, front doors, 2 screws at the bottom, 2 bolts up top. If you go and watch A1 Auto on how to take off the door panel, they show you how to take it off and put it back on, which that helps save time and the project. So all in all, as I was driving down the road, I was really surprised. As you can see, I'm putting the mats down, started on the rear driver's side door. Kind of glad I had enough gap to reach my arms in there, and then matted it down. And this is kind of the finishing of the front driver door. I also put in new speakers, which I got from Crutchfield, that sound a lot better. So I got a pair of Rockford Fosgates for around 70 bucks on Crutchfield, which the cool thing is it comes with an adapter, so there's no need to do any wire cutting. And they actually included that free when you buy them, so that helped out a ton. So this is my last and final door, the passenger. As you can see, I got the Killmat in there on that outer shell, top and bottom. I didn't get new speakers for the back, but obviously I'm in the front all the time, so I can't really hear those. But hey, thanks guys for watching another video, and hopefully some of this helps.